how to set up and use your Roamless eSIM. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up and use your Roamless eSIM. So first of all, please make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi connection and airplane mode is off on your device, and after that you have to click activate now in the Roamless app and click on start activation and click allow and then click continue. Your eSIM will take 1 to 2 minutes to activate. Please make sure your device screen doesn't go dark during the process. And to configure in iOS default setting, when you see cellular setup complete, you have to click continue for default line, select primary and click continue. For iMessage and FaceTime, please primary and click continue. This is critical. And for cellular or mobile data, select primary and turn on allow data switching, then click continue. And please note that the label assigned to your new eSIM by iOS, it's like to be labeled personal, travel, secondary, business or cellular data. You will need it in the next eSIM settings section. And for this second part of the setting configuration, you need to go to your iPhone settings and turn data roaming on for your Roamless SIM. Go to iPhone settings, cellular mobile, scroll down to eSIM section and click on the Roamless eSIM. So, and then turn data roaming on for your Roamless eSIM. Or their eSIM works globally, so it needs data roaming on. And then you have to turn data roaming off for your primary SIM. Then go back to the previous screen and click on your primary SIM and then turn data roaming off for your primary SIM. And after that you have to configure cellular or mobile data settings, and after that you have to go back to the previous screen, scroll up, click on cellular or mobile data. If you want Roamless to automatically take over when you are abroad for cellular mobile data, please select primary and turn on allow data switching. And if you want to manually select the when you use Roamless eSIM for cellular mobile data, you have to select Roamless eSIM when you travel abroad. You have to select your primary SIM when you return home. So Roamless eSIM in low data mode. So you have to go to iPhone settings, cellular mobile, scroll down to eSIM section, click the Roamless eSIM and click on data mode and select low data mode. As long as you have your primary SIM's data roaming off, you will not be charged for data roaming. However, your operator may still charge you if you make or take calls on your regular phone number or send SMS. Receiving SMS is always free, even where you are abroad. If you want to make sure you avoid roaming charges on the calls and SMS as well, you can turn off your primary SIM when traveling abroad. But please note, with your primary SIM off, you won't be able to receive SMS. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.